Hello and welcome again. Life mapping, a vision of success is more than economic gains, titles, and degrees. Planning success is mapping all aspects of your life. Similar to a map, you need to define the following details: origin, destination, vehicle, backpack, landmarks, and route. Besides, you can also reflect on your experiences to provide information about your right and not so good traits, skills, knowledge, strengths, and weaknesses. Your destiny must cover all aspects of your being: physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual. Continuing Jean's story, after defining her beliefs, values, and principles in life, she decided that she wanted to have an experience dedicated to serving others. Thoroughly describing his vision mission, it was to live a life dedicated to serving his fellow man as a doctor in areas of conflict. Suitcase: your knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Food, drinks, medicines, and other travel needs are contained in a bag. By applying this concept to your life map, you also bring specific knowledge, skills, and attitudes. They determine your competence and help you achieve your vision. Given this, it is necessary to assess what knowledge, skills, and attitudes you currently have and what you need to get along the way. This dual assessment will provide information about your benchmarks or measures of success. These measures must be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and with a fixed term. Therefore, you cannot define two essential milestones, such as obtaining a master's and a doctorate in 3 years, since the minimum number of years to complete a master's degree is 2 years. However, our plans are often modified along the way due to some inconveniences, delays, and other situations beyond our control. As with any path, there are turns, detours, and holes. Therefore, we must anticipate them and adjust accordingly. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.